Xin chào, this is Vietnamese Bún Riêu. Lime in there. I have a shrimp pepper paste, mắm tôm. It's all my veggies. Got mint, water spinach. Eat it with the water spinach. Alright, guys. The tofu, it just soaks up all juice. Eat it with mắm tôm. The juice just like soaks everything in. Wow, so good. This is the crab meatball. Look at that. God, this is so good. And the noodles. Yeah, a lot of veggies in there. Lettuce and the cabbage is so buttery. This broth is so good. I even have spare ribs in here. That pork flavor is so good. And when I learn how to make this, I have it on my YouTube channel. And the recipe is down below. The coagulated pork blood. Pearl movies. This is the water spinach. This is so good in that. I just like the mắm tôm. With chilies and lime in here. The crab meatball. So good, guys. If you love seafood, you will love this. The crab meatball. Look at how giant that is. It's so juicy. I'm gonna saute tomato and get a piece of that Rieu. Juicy, the acidity. The broth is so light and refreshing. Look at the sauce. For me, yes, the Rieu is the star of the show. But second place is the tofu because it soaks all the juice in here. So good with the mắm tôm. See that juice coming out? I love this sauce. Look at the real crab pork meatball with shrimp. So good for the seafood lovers. And the water spinach. It goes so well. Onion. Smells so good. Vermicelli rice noodles in there. So good if you guys like rice noodle. What I love about Bún Riêu is that compared to other soups, it's very light, very refreshing. I'm like piece of cabbage, the tomato. So good. This bite for you guys. I have some water spinach in here too. Soup season. I've been making soup back to back. Ooh. Happy holidays to you and your family. Come on, everybody. Thank you so much for watching. I want this recipe in the description below. And as always, on my YouTube channel for the full step-by-step tutorial. I'm Harris, cooking with Mr. International, and welcome to season 4.